Hey guys, good morning.
Morning. It's a dreary day, but it'll be a good morning.
It's chilly, probably upper 40s right now. It's supposed to get a little warmer, but we're down in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania for the Christkindlmrkt.
Yeah, we've never been here before, so.
No, we've heard a lot of good things, Christmas season, so we figured we'd come check it out and bring you guys along. We might have some people to meet.
Maybe.
Yeah, we're meeting up with some cruise friends, so come in and let's see what this is all about.
Let's get our jolly on.
She's weird.
They have this cute little dog stand here. We got some elk chews, jerky. In case you need some, get some holiday shit. The Christmas shit. Oh goodness. So many fun things here. It's getting a little crazy in there, so we're gonna head outside and see what the other tents have. This is very cool. We haven't touched like not even a quarter of it, but it's very cool. Actually, I should mention who we're here with. We're here with Bill and Lucy from dave.and.brandys.travel and our friends from the Carnival Legend and Venezia, Kristen and Brian. So it's gonna be a nice day.
All right, guys, it's pretty neat.
This is neat.
Just got some jerky.
They've got some Nashville hot jerky. And for me, tastes like a cheeseburger.
Well, if you like pickles. But no, we're checking in. We got these little igloo things here.
Yep.
You can actually, there's food trucks and stuff, and they got
Little fire pits.
little igloos and fire pits going. So yeah, we're still wandering around,
Yep.
enjoying. Yeah. All right, guys.
Well, in case you need something for that special family member. There's even a Canadian food truck here with poutine. And they have a holiday poutine that looks simply amazing. So this might be on the list for today. All right, basically going into the food court now.
Like that. It's a little crazy here in the food hall, so you might know these people behind us. Look at this group. But we grabbed the drink here, grabbed the Hershey's chocolate porter, and hey, local beer. It's a Pennsylvania thing, so we're going to try and grab a bite to eat. But I think we're going to grab one of the food trucks and find somewhere to sit outside because, as you can see, it is absolutely insane in here. So we'll check in when we get outside.
They have a holiday poutine. It's delicious. And we're in an igloo with good company.
All right, guys. Had a nice little lunch there in a little igloo with everybody. And just kind of over here watching the ice carving, but he's having trouble.
Yeah, a little bit.
We're not sure what he's trying to make. He's mad that his saw isn't sharp, but he's getting it, so I don't know. We'll watch here a little more and see what he comes up with.
Yeah, almost like it looks like a wine bottle, but I don't know.
I don't know. It's a mystery.
Because it's so true.
It is so true.
Yeah, I was like, holy, you got a lot of work done. But they did a good job.
So we're in the mood for something sweet. So do you think either we'll have the dumpling or the apple crisp? What do you guys think?
And then can I have yeah. I thought it was great.
Yeah.
It's only fair, right?
These are so stinking cute. A little puppy. That one.
Yeah.
In keeping with the puppy theme, we're getting Kona one of these elk antlers because he loves to chew.
All right, guys. We had a good time here at Christkindlmrkt. These guys all joined us. We had a blast today. We'll see how the footage came out. I've got enough to share with you. But if you're watching it, we did. Bill's tired. Poor guy.
Tired.
But yeah, so we might go grab a bite to eat here and head home. But thanks for following along, guys, and we'll check in the next vlog.
Great day, guys.
We wish you a Merry Christmas